Good evening, my dear friends. So, today I am going to speak regarding the cause of hernia and its management, what we can do. So, now we have to understand something. Whenever the pressure of the abdomen it's high, when vata in the abdomen it's high, then only that creates a negative pressure in the surface of our abdomen skin so that it penetrates and comes out. So it's nothing like if you keep a mesh, you just get operated, does not mean that you will not get other side after few months or years. So actually you are not solving a problem, you are creating a new problem, because body is telling that there is some heavy compression, heavy bloating of air, vayu. Instead of relieving it, what we are doing, we are putting a mesh, something like a building a dam without opening a gate wall whenever it is been full. So what we have to do is that one thing, we have to change our dinacharya, means so we have to have a good lifestyle and food style. So one thing about the lifestyle means the sleeping posture. I have posted in the previous video how to sleep. That should be right, because as you know that the nerves relating to the large intestine, whenever it gets compressed, it leads to the leading for like the muscles get weakened, and henceforth it's very easy to get into the hernial sac. So one more thing is that, so our food style, we take a very heavy meal in the night and sleep. So what happens usually, our abdomen has like our digestion works very vigorously to digest it. So now usually after taking heavy meals, you know that what will happen, process of digestion is exothermic reaction, the heat will be liberated, and the carbon dioxide, all the gas formation will be increased. So as you take lighter food, all this much complicated process will be avoided. So what you have to do means take light food. So what is light food? So which is capable of digesting within few minutes or hours. If it takes hours together, then it is a complicated food. Biryani, chicken, mutton, all those things. So anyhow, it's very good, fine, I'm not against it, but anyhow, up to your digestion capacity you have to take. It does not mean that he will take, I will also take. No. You have to observe your digestion capacity, because all the patient are not getting hernia, only you are getting. So you have to observe few things, you have to understand, analyze your prakriti, then only you have to take. So henceforth, take a lighter food. So in the morning you can take a few juices, just like vegetable juice. In the afternoon, take some fruits. In the evening, you can take light meals. Okay, whatever that could be, within 7 o'clock. So what happens? The much complicated process, formation of gas, liberation of what do you call